So guys, I got this new product today. I know you guys have seen these around. They're all over the place. But I thought it was a pretty neat idea, so I was going to try it out. If you guys recognize these, they're I think they call them like the seat gap filler. A pretty basic design that goes in between the seat and then the center console. That'll prevent things from falling inside. You see this big gap right here? It just fits down in here. And it'll prevent coins or whatever from falling. So if you guys ever drop things down here, you know it's kind of a pain to fish the stuff out. Nice here. Nice solid design. It's a nice soft liner there. You can store stuff. Curious to see how it fits in here. They give you instructions with it. But I'm pretty sure none of you guys are going to need this. You just drop it in and you put the little slot around your buckle. That's all you do. Okay, straightforward. Like I said, these are really inexpensive. I just wanted to try it out, see if I liked it. Just kind of cleans it up a little bit instead of having that big gap there. So I'll go ahead and install it and we'll see how it looks. Like I said, it's not a lot of money to invest anyway, if you guys want to try it out. So this is basically how it goes. This is where it goes around the buckle here. You just push it down there, and it's only going to go so far with this box on it. And then this top part just goes around the seat in the front. Okay? So I'll go ahead and push that in really quick. Okay, so that's the overall design. It goes around the buckle there, and it's flush. And the front just goes down in between the seat and the console. It's a nice secure fit. I think it's pretty nice. And when I sit in, I have plenty of room. So I thought my leg would hit this box, but it doesn't. So it fits in there. So if you guys had to put some stuff in there, a little storage, if you can see here, it'll protect it from things dropping down. Now, if you move your seat up and down though, you're gonna have to remove this because it has that plastic box on it. It will make it very hard for the motor to actually move the seat. So just lift it up, move the seat where you want, and then put it back down. It's one thing, because I know some seat fillers don't have this box. You can move them in place, but this one you can't. So just something to take notice if you guys get this one. Here's the passenger seat. Same exact thing. Like I said, nothing exciting on this video. Just wanted to share this with you guys, because I know it's frustrating when you drop stuff down between trying to fish it out. If you drop like a credit card or something down the side, it's very hard to get it out. I've actually lost stuff down that goes between the carpet where the console is. So, like I said, clean design, doesn't really stand out being black. If you have black interior, it kind of blends right in there. So definitely check them out. It's from Joy Tutus. I'll put the link in the description. It's on Amazon. Like I said, for the price, you really can't beat it. Try it out. Might solve one of you guys' little problems. Okay? So just wanted to share that with you guys. Hope everyone's staying safe out there during these uncertain times. Appreciate all the support I'm getting. I really do. I read all your guys' comments. I love it. Keep it going, guys. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care, everybody.